Find the y-intercept and graph the equation y equals 4/7 x minus 3 by hand, and then we'll use the graphing calculator to verify. I like working with a bigger graph, so I'm going to click here to enlarge the graph. Okay, so I need 2 points to graph this. Let me flip over here, or I already have the equation typed out. Y equals 4/7 x minus 3. So it says to find the y-intercept. And the y-intercept occurs when x is equal to 0. So I'm going to put a 0 in for x. And what do I get for y? So I'll have y equals 4/7 times 0 minus 3. The 0 times 4/7 is 0, so that whole thing goes away, and I'm left with a negative 3. So there's my first point, and that is the y-intercept, right? That's the point on the graph where the graph's going to cross the y-axis. Now pick another point for x. Now, why wouldn't you want to choose 1, for instance? Well, if you picked a 1, what would happen here? Y equals 4/7 times 1 minus 3. Sure, that would work. You would actually get a point, but let's be nice to ourselves. Let's choose a number that when I plug it in is going to cancel with that 7. What number would that be? How about a 7? Because now what happens? If I choose a 7, now those 7s cancel out. And what am I left with? 4 minus 3 is 1. So there are my 2 points, 0, negative 3, and 7, 1. Let's go back over here to the graph. So I'm going to use my line tool. So 0, negative 3 down here. And then let me clear that out. I think I clicked on the wrong one. Okay, let's try this again. 0, negative 3, and then my other point I said was x is 7 and y was 1, right here. Click save. Now the graph is on here, and I can check my answer. Looks good. Let me show you on the calculator how this works out. So on the calculator, I'm going to press y equals, and it's 4/7. You know, I don't have to do this, but it looks better if I put these fractions in parentheses. 4/7 x minus 3. Okay, and I'm going to graph this on the standard viewing window. That's negative 6, 6. I'm sorry, negative 10, 10, negative 10, 10. Zoom 6. And there's my graph. Look pretty good? It looks pretty good. So just kind of getting the general shape of the graph. And I hope that helps.